EndeavourOS is a new distribution, available for the Raspberry Pi, and in this video I'll tell you how I lost almost one day trying to install it. But don't worry, you'll be able to do it in less than 30 minutes now that I understand my mistakes. Except for Manjaro, installing an Arch-based distribution on Raspberry Pi has never been that easy. I saw a complete tutorial on their website, and thought it would be easy. But the issue is always the same with these guys. It seems like a small group of developers that write a documentation for the others, not for beginners. From what I understand, they wrote the documentation as if you were using EndeavourOS on your PC. If you are on Windows, Mac OS or Linux like 99% of their readers, you won't find any help there. So, I tried to find an easier method for you, and spent almost one day trying to follow the documentation from another system. Using Raspberry Pi OS on a USB key to flash EndeavourOS on a SD card seemed promising, but it didn't work. I finally gave up, but it helped me to understand the documentation, and I can now share with you the complete process to install it on your Raspberry Pi. It won't be a 5-minute process like most Linux distribution, but it's not that complicated once you understand it. One thing missing in the documentation is an overview of the setup process. Here are the main steps you'll need to follow. 1. Download EndeavourOS for your computer and boot on the live environment. 2. Insert an SD card into your computer, and install a minimal Arch Linux image on it. 3. Install the EndeavourOS packages on top of it, including the desktop environment. So, it's not natural, but the first step is to download an image of EndeavourOS and boot on it on your PC. You can use Etcher or Raspberry Pi Imager to create the USB key. Once flashed, keep the USB key plugged and reboot your computer. You may need to press a key to access the boot menu. Refer to your computer manual to know how to do this. Once on the live system, don't install anything. Just open a terminal and follow the documentation. You can also find the commands in this video description. Basically, the idea is to download a script from GitHub and run it. It will prepare your SD card and install a minimal Arch Linux system on it. If you experience any issue or have any doubt, read my tutorial linked in the description below. I explain everything in details for you. Once the SD card ready, put it in your Raspberry Pi and boot on it. Log in with the root username and password. We can now continue the installation, to put the EndeavourOS packages on top of Arch Linux. There is a script in the home directory that you need to run. It's a wizard that will help you with the next steps. It will only ask you a few things, like the server you want to use and the number of parallel downloads to download the packages. Then it will start the installation. You just have to wait a few minutes. The script will tell you to reboot once ready. We are almost done. After the reboot, log in again with root, and run this other script. It looks like most installation scripts, and will ask for your time zone, username and password. You can also choose your desktop environment. EndeavourOS supports most of them. Once done, you need to be patient on more time. The script will download all the packages, and depending on the desktop environment and your internet connection it might be quite long. Same thing at the end of this script, a last reboot is required. But hopefully, you'll now have access to a graphical login screen, with EndeavourOS finally running on your Raspberry Pi. Use the password you set during the installation, and access the desktop. I chose XFCE, so your experience might be slightly different. A welcome tool is there to help you with your first steps, and, at first glance everything seemed to work correctly. As for many things with this system, the welcome wizard is not really beginner friendly. It's like shortcuts to command lines, but if you don't know the commands, it won't help that much. You can at least use it to update the system and easily install additional apps like Chromium and LibreOffice. The main menu is almost empty. You have some basic apps like Firefox and a media player, but except from that you almost start from scratch. Many configuration tools can also be found under the Settings category in the main menu. It's a bit messy, but it's probably more related to the desktop environment than EndeavourOS itself. So, I won't be too hard about this. You should find the configuration options easily, so it's not a big deal. It's probably better with KDE or GNOME, as I explained in a previous video, but anyway, the main issue with EndeavourOS is not there for me. EndeavourOS comes with almost no apps by default, and it doesn't include a graphical package manager like on most distributions. If you are not used to Arch at all, this is a major issue. In the Welcome tool, there is a link to a list of packages you can install. I tried a few, but most of them are not available for the ARM architecture. Then you need to know the command line. It's either pacman or yay. I feel like yay is the new version, but I don't really understand the difference. Here is an example. It didn't work, so I tried to use the other website and I got a security risk. To make it short, if you are used to installing apps with a graphical package manager, the solution I found is to install and use tk-pacman. Use these commands to install it. It should be a bit easier than using the terminal or trying to find packages on the website. Overall, it's nice to see some new distributions becoming available on Raspberry Pi, especially those that aren't Debian-like, as we already have a lot of them. And it becomes harder and harder to make a choice. But EndeavourOS is probably limited to users that love Arch Linux and are using it on their computer. If you want to try Arch Linux for the first time, Manjaro will be a way better choice. It's available in Raspberry Pi Imager, the setup is straightforward, the configuration is easier, and there is an app store to easily install new apps. It's even simpler than on Raspberry Pi OS. I will keep an eye on their progress and keep you updated. EndeavourOS is also new on PC, so maybe it's just a beta version of something better coming in the next years, we'll see. Check this video about Manjaro to see how easy it is to use, with great performances for a Raspberry Pi.